In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can share your Discord profile. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Discord app on your iPhone or Android device. And we'll first need to enable developer mode. To actually do that, go ahead and swipe to the left and tap on the U icon down in the bottom right corner, and from here tap the gear icon up in the top right corner. When you're in this section, scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see an option for advanced. Underneath app settings, select that and make sure that you have developer mode turned on. From here, you can actually go back to the home screen just like so and find any server that you've actually sent a message in. In this case, we'll just go to my own server right here, choose that message, and then from here, you're going to want to select the three dots up in the top right corner and select copy user ID. From here, we're going to need to turn that into a link. So back out of this section, go on your notes app right here, and you're going to want to type in discordapp.com/users/ and then hit the paste button right here, and that is going to be your Discord link. From here, go ahead and copy it, and now you could send it to whoever you would like. This is unique to your Discord profile, so you can really send this to anyone, and when they do tap it, it's going to instantly open up their Discord profile, and you can go ahead and have them follow you. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.